Hi, I'm Tom Durcan, Director of the Neuro's EDDU, or Early Drug Discovery Unit, so nice to meet you all. I'm actually originally from Dublin, Ireland. I actually came to the Neuro 2007, not as a brain researcher, but as a cancer researcher. What was kind of appealing to me when joining the Neuro was, why are these brain diseases happening? Parkinson's, ALS, epilepsy, for instance. What causes them to grow? And so for many years, we would actually work on these proteins. We would work in mouse models. We would work in cancer cell lines, and we would find all these clues to why the disease was arising. But it was always a case of, it's like a piece is missing. So that actually kind of led Ted Fawn and Guy Rouleau back probably about 10 years ago to kind of go, could we build a group focused on human stem cells? We work with what's called induced pluripotent stem cells, so iPSCs for short. This can actually be made from your skin, your blood, your hair, urine, saliva. And then once we have it, we can make their cells in a dish. We can kind of explore each cell type, understand why they form as they do, what might be happening if a disease is arising. We could make iPSCs, we could make dopaminergic neurons. That was the first thing we could do in 2 years, but it took many years to build everything we now do. We make over 15 cell types. We can CRISPR edit lines. We can reprogram cells. We can essentially offer customized projects that if you want to test your therapeutic in a dish, we can do that. Single cell sequencing, high content imaging, flow cytometry, all these are services we can do now, but it's taken over 10 years to get there. We've had over 100 users work with us, from nearly 70 academic users to nearly 20 to 30 companies. And now, to this day, we have more companies wanting to work with us every day to avail of what we can do. We're like a kind of what we'd call almost like a local platform with a global outreach. And so it's a case of you can work with us in any step of the pipeline, or we can just help you across the board. Because what we want to get to is really, how do we get these new therapies to the patients that we see day to day in the neuro all the time?